How to stop bloating after eating. True bloating is usually a buildup of gas and/or occasionally fluid somewhere in the bowels. It can be part of various functional bowel maladies, such as irritable bowel syndromes, lactose intolerance, constipation, malabsorption syndromes, or indigestion. There are usually only a few things in the bowel that contributes to bloating. The food you eat is often the most important potential trigger, and in particular, carbohydrates, for example, beans, grains, fruits, and vegetables, since they are potentially fermentable, meaning gas-producing. If there are built up gas in the small intestine, your stomach may feel full and bloated. Try farting and visiting the toilet to relieve the bloating. If that doesn't work, you can try these following simple tips. We share with you instant remedies for bloated stomach, what drinks and foods to avoid, natural remedies around us to treat bloated belly, and lifestyle changes to get rid of gas in the stomach in the future. Tips to get rid of bloating. Number 1. Instant actions you can do. Drinking warm water with lemon. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Stir well and drink it. Lemon enhances digestive function and has a mild diuretic effect. This can help to break down any gas-forming food in the stomach. Try lying down on your left side for 10 to 15 minutes. This position helps you relieve pressure on your stomach and can help to reduce bloating. Sleep on your left side at least early in the night while you're still semi-awake. This allows the gases building up in your stomach to escape through burps more easily. Try gently massaging your stomach in a clockwise direction. Sleep at least 6 hours every night. Getting good sleep is key to feeling better in the morning. Walk more throughout the day. Exercise can help, especially light exercise immediately after each meal. Walk around a bit, 5 minutes after each meal so that the food can settle into your stomach. Try yoga and abdominal massage. It's really helpful. Number 2. Lifestyle changes that needs to be made. Eat slowly. Eating slowly and taking your time to chew your food can help reduce the amount of air you swallow. Eating too fast will lead to gulping of air into the stomach, which can contribute to bloating. Eat when the food is warm. Eat freshly cooked food. Eat in a quiet atmosphere. Sit and eat your food. Watch your portion. Stomach bloats because you may be eating more than the stomach can handle, so eating less can help. If your capacity is to eat 100 units of food at a time, try to stop at 75 or 80. Food should not cause discomfort and result in stomach distorting. Overeating leads to indigestion, sluggishness, and bloating. Do not drink water while eating food. Don't drink too much water at once so that you don't feel full. It dilutes the digestive juice and creates bloating in the stomach. Drink 45 minutes before a meal and 45 minutes after a meal. Eat at regular meal times. 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner is good, but avoid eating snacks between meals. Eating whatever, whenever you feel like, can be very bad for bloating. Do not overeat after 8 p.m. The last meal of the day should be at least 2 hours before you go to bed. If you sleep at 11 p.m., do not eat anything after 9 p.m. Preferably, you want to eat your dinner around 7 to 8 p.m. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help prevent constipation and keep your digestive system regular, which can reduce bloating. Number 3. Food and drinks to avoid. Certain types of food can cause bloating. You will have to monitor your daily meals and decide which of the different types of food cause bloating. Then stop eating food containing those ingredients whenever possible. Foods to avoid to cure bloating issues. Salty food, broccoli, cabbage, soybeans, peas, lentils are gas-producing foods. Avoid milk and cheese if you are lactose intolerant. Avoid carbonated drinks and gum. Carbonated drinks and gums can cause you to swallow more air, which can lead to bloating. Limit the amount of coffee, tea, and alcohol as much as possible. Avoid spicy and fried food, since they are heavy and difficult to digest. Cut down a little on salt intake. Major food to have to cure gas: cucumber, banana, papaya, asparagus, yogurt, whole grain, beans, veggies, and nuts. Number 4. Try natural remedies. Peppermint. Peppermint has menthol oil, which helps stop the smooth muscle of the gastrointestinal tract, bile ducts, and gallbladder from tightening. It also calms gas buildup and helps food pass through the stomach more quickly. There are 2 ways to use peppermint to lessen bloating. You can chew on peppermint leaves or put a peppermint tea bag in hot water for around 10 minutes. Then drink 2 to 3 cups of this tea a day. Ginger. Ginger is an herb that eases gas and bloating. It has sharp ingredients like gingerols and sugar that helps to cut swelling in the intestines and loosen the intestinal muscles. Put 5 to 6 thin slices in a cup and pour boiling water over it. Cover the cup and let it sit for 10 minutes. Add a little honey and lemon juice to the tea and drink it up to 3 times a day. Another choice is to eat 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger before meals, or you can grate ginger root and sprinkle it on your food. Adults can choose to take 0.25 to 1 gram of powdered ginger root every day. Chamomile tea. Another way to lessen bloating is with chamomile tea. This is because tea stops swelling and tightening of the muscles. It can also help with heartburn. Boil 1 cup of water, pour it into a cup over 1 chamomile tea bag. Squeeze out the tea bag and add lemon juice or honey as wanted. Slowly sip the tea. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day between meals. Pumpkin. If you're looking for a great way to stop gas buildup and bloating, try eating pumpkin. Pumpkin has a lot of vitamin A, potassium, and fiber that helps in digestion. 1 cup of pumpkin at a meal will help digestion a lot. You can steam it, bake it, broil it, or just use it as an ingredient in any of your food. Activated charcoal. Activated charcoal has holes that let water or air passes through. These holes can trap the extra gas in your body, which is caused by stomach bacteria. You can find activated charcoal as a tablet, capsule, or powder. Ask the doctor to find the amount you should be taking. Warm lemon water. Warm water is good for you because it helps you hydrate it and wash the bacteria out of your body. Lemons are full of vitamins and minerals that are helpful to your body's digestion. Some of these are vitamin B and C, riboflavin, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, proteins, and carbohydrates. Lemons also have an acid which helps break down food. For these reasons, drinking warm water and lemon together is great for your digestion. It can stop bloating, gas, and constipation. Once you have calmed things down, try adding 1 food at a time, an elimination diet, to see what is triggering your bloating tendencies. Most often, you will have to permanently change some of your eating preferences. For example, try a low-carb or FODMAPs diet for a while to reduce exposure to some food you are not digesting very well. Some foods may actually help change the balance of your bacterial flora, thereby reduce your bloating tendencies as well. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, and Pinterest. Turn on notifications so you never miss our new articles and videos. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next topic.